Quickly prototype ideas using AllThingsTalk Maker combined with LPWAN low-power wide-area networks. LPWAN technology works well in situations where devices need to send small data over a wide area while maintaining battery life for many years. AllThingsTalk closely collaborates with leading network providers to deliver an easy onboarding experience. Everything you need to develop and build prototypes and products using network, hardware, sensors, web interface, mobile apps, APIs and reference designs to get you started. You can quickly start and materialize ideas, keeping the focus on creating end customer value. Try AllThingsTalk Maker and Rapid Development Kits to unlock the potential of LPWAN connectivity.